Well, we've arrived at Khone Phapheng, which probably about 3.5 hours in the car to get up here or down here. Some beautiful scenery here. Hopefully I'll be able to get the drone up in the air and I won't put it in the drink. Got the obligatory shops and restaurants around here. And I'll give you a look at the name of the place if you're looking for it on the map. That's it there, Khone Phapheng waterfall. And some beautiful gardens as you wander in.
Khone Phapheng. Sabai
Sabai
Sabai.
Just chilling on the bridge. Thought they might have had a rod in. Getting heavy, BB? Wish someone would do that for me. Some nice old buildings and things in here. This is the Ancient House Cafe by the look of the sign. A funny place for the front door.
Daddy?
Yes, darling?
You listen water?
Listen what?
Water.
Water. Oh, I can hear, yes.
Yes.
Jal and Si here posing for a photo. BB, put your hands down. Just coming up to the entranceway now. We've paid 10,000 kip to park the car. We'll see how much it is to get in. Ah, there we go. 5,000 kip for locals, foreigners 35,000 kip. So I'm up for $3.50 Australian. The other guys are up for 50 cents. Hello, Puna's just done a runner with me wallet. I'm coming. Bibi's just playing the game here. She said, I see Farang. All looks lush and green here. There's plenty of water about, but believe me, it's quite warm. Sabadi. 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 BB and Son have found a swing to play on.
Yes. Fun.
There's a bit of a look out there at what you can see here. I'll give you a bit more of a look in a minute. As usual, there's no shortage of food at these places. There we go, now that's what I'm talking about. That's a fair set of rapids out there. I think if you were sneaking down there in your kayak and you came across this, you'd have an oh shit moment. What do you think, Puna? Beautiful place? Oh, look at these two guys go. And over here we've got a few blokes from the local clergy, some monks here, just admiring the views. Sabadi. And even getting the odd selfie. Bye-bye. BB's got herself a nice pick ice cream. We'll go for a walk down here now and admire the view from another angle. And we've got another restaurant nestled amongst the gardens here. This one is called The View Restaurant. Obviously there's a view. Got another viewpoint down in here. More spectacular water. We'll have a look down here. Hopefully we've got a bit of a launching site for the drone as well, but we'll see how we go. Still a few too many trees here, I think. Have a look at that, folks. How good is that? I'm just going to go for a wander down these steps. I think somewhere down here we'll be able to find a rock to launch the drone off. Just leave the camera rolling. Anything's likely to go wrong here. At least going down here in a pair of thongs today. My feet aren't wet, so it's not too bad. There we go, we'll be able to find somewhere to put the helicopter.
My bags are packed now, ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking. It's early morn, the taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back.
Well, while you're watching this, you may be looking at me and thinking, geez, he looked hot and sweaty. Trust me, you're lucky to see any drone footage on this. I've just had the drone up. I took it up to about 60 metres so that I was steered clear of the trees. The wind caught it and I had hell's own trouble trying to get it back. Then it started sending pictures of it lodged in a tree or something. So I followed the GPS, looking up in the trees, couldn't find the damn thing. Looked down there on the ground and there it was lying upside down on the ground. Very, very lucky man today. Well, here's a bit of a close-up of the damage to the drone. I don't know whether it'll fly again, but we won't be putting it up here again. We'll have a look at Don Det later on and see if we can get it back up in the air there. And up there we've got the local temple on site. We're going to make a bit of merit at the temple while we're here.
Yes, for lucky.
Well, lucky. Not release any fish? No. There's a fair lump of wood up there in that cabinet. That was dragged out of the river here many years ago, I believe. BB's found a gong. There's the old tree that I was talking about before that's up here in the temple. I'll try and find some info on that. As I said, I think it was dragged out of the river here many, many, many years ago. But I'll let you know what it's about. And there's some info on the sacred tree. That tree died on the 19th of March 2012 with unknown reason. It was January 2013 when they brought the tree from the river and placed it up in the temple. You've probably heard me say this 1,000 times, but this is a must-see place to come when you're in Southern Laos. Khone Phapheng waterfall.